Here.
17 Ghibli, 16 5, 7.5, 17 5, 7.5, 17 7.5, 18
5.
C fam, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Dr. Vlad in the house. I'm on my way to the auction to look at one of the cars. I had a customer, subscriber, one of you guys reach out to me looking for a Maserati. A local auction, Iaai Anaheim, my favorite auction, Mercury Insurance selling it. 2017 Maserati Gimbal S, 18,000 miles. Black on black, rear end damage. It looks like the bumper, maybe rear body damage. So we're gonna go look at it in person. And if everything checks out, we're gonna purchase it for him, rebuild it, and ship it to him. It's a simple process. And if you're guys looking for a car, feel free to reach out. I'll put my email in the description. And yeah, we'll find you the best clean salvage car. We'll rebuild it and ship it to you. Or if you're a California buyer, we'll register the car for you and you don't have to do anything. Just come pick up the car and you'll have the plates and ready to go. Once again, thank you for watching and I'll see you guys at the auction. Just pulled up, so I'm gonna try to record as much as I can. I know they don't like me recording up there, so sorry if it's not the best video, but I'll do my best. Good morning, mister. What's going on? I'm here at the auction. Man, this thing is sweet. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, black on black, really clean inside.
Look.
Brand new tires, Pirellis, everything
Really?
blocked out. Inside is really clean with that red stitching. Smells good.
Pretty.
Should be a good car. The back seats are perfect.
Okay. I like it. It's got the big exhaust.
So yeah, it has a nice exhaust, so this thing should sound amazing as well. And we don't really need that much in parts. I'm gonna try to even save this rear bumper. Has a little like a pull, but maybe I could repair it. Worst comes to worst, we just gonna have to get the bumper.
Okay.
Really nice car, everything checks out, beautiful. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and bid on it. And also the front end is a little damaged, just minor, you could barely see it. From bumper right here a little bit, and then the grill. So it got rear-ended and then pushed to the front, but that's all repairable, not a big deal. Yep, beautiful. So yeah, let's take a look underneath what's going on, if it's clean. Yeah, underneath looks good. Engine compartment looks good too, clean. So yeah, I really like it. It looks super clean, so we're gonna go ahead and bid on this car. Yeah, perfect car, I love it. and I talked to my customer. He loves it. I did a FaceTime with him, so he said go ahead, Vlad, and let's purchase this bad boy. Alright, cool. So I'm not gonna stay here and play at the car. I'm gonna go back to the shop and we'll bid online. Said, guys, I'm driving back to the shop. We're not gonna stay there and play. We'll just bid online because it's gonna play in an hour or two. So we'll go back to the office and play on the computer, and hopefully we'll buy it. The car looks pretty good. It looks like the front got damaged and the rear front bumper needs repair and paint, and it needs a new grille. And in the back rear bumper, I'm gonna try to save the rear bumper. It doesn't look too bad, and then just repair the rear body so the trunk closes, and that's about it. So we'll bid on it. We're not gonna go too crazy. We're gonna try to stay in the low 20s, not gonna go anything past than that, maybe 22, 23 max. Pre-bid ended at 16,500, which is good. So hopefully we'll buy it for 20,000. That'll be ideal price for that car. So we'll see. We'll find out very, very soon. It's next.
Alright. 20435.
Alright.
Maserati get about 255, 17, Ghibli, 16, 5, 7.5, 17, 5, 7.5, 17, 7.5, 18, 5, 18, 250, bid at a 5, 7.5, 18, 5, 7.5, 19
You
grand.
still on it?
Yeah.
250, bid at a 5. You're out.
I'm at
19,
20.
7.5, 20 grand.
Keep going.
20,000, 250. He's out. 20,000, 5.
Keep
7.5. I get 20,000, 5, 7.5, 21,000.
Come on, give it to me.
21, 250. I got 21, but at a quarter, bid the 5, 21, 5, sir. 5, 5, bid the 5, get about 20.
I got it. Oh no.
I got 21, 5, bid the 7, bid in, I come back, 5, bid the 7, 50, 5, bid the 7.5, 22,000, 22, bid the 2, get a bit 2, bid the 22, 250.
25,
22,
5.
22, 5, 5, 22,
You get it?
5, 22, 5,
Yeah.
5, a bit. So 22,
Yeah, we got it. 22, 5.
22, 250, bid a day.
That's a good deal.
Yep.
That's a cool car or what?
So I'll give you 22, 250.
14, 2, 5, 7.5,
Awesome.
7.5,
All right. Yes, we got it. We won the Maserati. Yeah, Ben.
We got it, sirs.
She
Ladies and
was
gentlemen.
bidding. Were you bidding on the Maserati? She was the one that got the car, huh? Mwah. Good job, baby. Good job. So yeah, everything came out to $23,338. Bam. Perfect buy. So we'll go pay for it, and we're actually just gonna drive this car back. We gotta drive it back. Got it, mama. We got it. Perfect. Oh, look at that. Breakfast served. Thank you, honey. Nice. We'll eat the breakfast and go get a cashier's check and pick it up. All right, guys, we're on our way to go pick up the Maserati, and I got my personal driver, Mama Bear, that's helping me out, and baby girl. Since the car runs in drive, I got my dealer plate, so we're good to go. They'll release the car as long as you have the dealer plate. And we'll drive it back, and I'll let you guys know how the car drives. So we should be there in about 30 minutes or so. Just left the shop. Are you excited to go work with Papa? Yeah? Mama excited to work with Papa today?
Beyond excited.
Beyond
Can't you
excited.
see by my face?
Yeah. And I talked to the buyer. He is extremely happy about the car. Can't wait to get it. So I'm excited too. It's gonna be a quick rebuild, and we'll ship it to him, and he's gonna be one happy customer. Got to the Iaai location. We're gonna go on site. get the paperwork and release gate pass, and we're ready to roll. We'll go pick up the car in the back. Got the paperwork, the title, and now we're gonna go around the back and pick up the car. Driving good old Benz S550, so I'm gonna have two of the same car soon, and this one's probably gonna be for sale, so if anybody wants a S550/S63 conversion, hit me up. All right, let's go in the back.
Which way around?
Get out and then make a right, and make a right again.
Really?
Yep, all right.
Because I'm right.
Yep, you're always right. Super excited to drive it back. So I'll let you guys know how the car drives any minute now. Around the back, and this is where you pick up the car, so I'll show them all my paperwork and I should get the car. Here it is. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Hey.
Thank you, my friend.
Thank you.
Yeah, I told you it's my car.
You take it like that?
Yeah, I got the plate and I'm good to go. Thank you, sir.
No problem. Do you have paper food here?
Yeah, if you have some. So there it is, guys. Look how beautiful this thing is. So yeah, he's gonna give me some tape for the trunk, and I'll tape up the trunk and I'll just drive it home like nothing happened. Perfect. That's it. We taped up the trunk so it doesn't open, and we're good to go. So I'll let you guys know in a second how the car drives. We're all set. I put my license plate up front in case I get pulled over, so there's no problem, and let's roll. All right, just follow me. Damn, mama, you look good in there. Hey, Hottie, how you doing? All right, guys, let's roll. Driving back, man, this thing drives amazing. Nothing on the cluster, just a low tire pressure. I think my tire is a little low on the left side, it was showing me. But other than that, everything is perfect. Drives good, I love it. Yeah, so perfect car. So we'll start working on it very shortly. Man, my customer is so happy with this purchase. Unbelievable. He's like, man, I can't wait to see it. So I sent him some videos. He's like jumping all the way to the moon and back. So yeah, perfect car, perfect purchase, perfect head. This is, how do you even salvage this thing? This thing is not even salvaged, but it has a salvage certificate. It's gonna be salvaged, but this car is perfect, like perfect damage, no frame, engine is good, runs amazing. Wow, I'm speechless. So yeah, those are the kind of cars we only buy, perfect salvage cars. So if anybody wants any cars, hit me up and I'll take care of you guys. I'll get you guys the best car ever. I'll put my email in the description. So let's see how quick this thing is. Wow, this thing is fast. Thing is fast. Holy moly. It holds ass like crazy. Whoops. Guys, that's a wrap for part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. We'll start working on the car. We gotta remove the front bumper, the rear bumper, do minor repairs on the front bumper. We'll need a new grille. And same with the back end. We'll take everything apart, do little body repair. We gotta pull the body panels so everything locks perfectly. For the most part, the gaps are good. We just need to make sure the trunk closes properly, and that's it. Thank you once again. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on your bell notification because you don't want to miss any new videos. New week, new video. So that's it, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. До свидания!